Hello children, welcome back. Children, do you enjoy reading a picture? Look at the picture on your screen. This picture is of a forest. Which animal you can see in this picture? We can see honeybees, rabbits, deer and a tortoise. We can also see a broken tree trunk. The rabbit is sitting on the broken tree trunk. How many honeybees can you see in this picture? 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 honeybees in the picture. We can also see a rabbit sitting on the mushroom. Deer and tortoise are walking in the forest. Now we will try to solve some questions based on the picture. You have to choose the correct answers. 4 options will be given to you. First question. How many honeybees can you see in the picture? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Now pick the correct answer. Answer is 4. You will write the correct answer in the given box. The home of honeybees is called a dash. Option A beehive, option B tree trunk, option C tree, option D house. What is the home of honeybees called? Beehive. So tick option A and write the correct answer in the box. The dash is sitting on the broken tree trunk. Option A tortoise, option B deer, option C rabbit, option D bee. What is the correct answer? Who is sitting on the broken tree trunk? Rabbit. Tick option C and write the correct answer in the given box. The deer dash the tortoise are walking. Option A is, option B are, option C and, option D does. What will be the correct answer? C. Tick the correct answer and write it in the given box. The animals are in a forest. Forest rhymes with dash. Option A jungle, option B ghost, option C woods, option D bravest. Forest rhymes with bravest. Very good. So you will take option D and write the correct answer in the box. See next picture on your screen. Tell me, what can you see in this picture? In this picture there is a clock. There are many photographs. Another word for photograph is picture. There is a big sofa next to the cupboard. How many cats can you see in the picture? 2 cats. 1 cat is sitting on the cupboard. Now let's go through the questions based on the picture. You have to choose the correct answer. First question. There are dash cats in the picture. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. How many cats can you see in the picture? 2 cats. So option B is the correct answer. Tick the correct answer and write the correct answer in the box. The dash cat is on the cupboard. Option A black, option B brown, option C white, option D yellow. Which color cat can you see on the cupboard? Black. Option A is the correct answer. Tick option A and write the correct answer in the box. The sofa is next to the cupboard. Dash is a big sofa? Option A, they. Option B, he. Option C, it. Option D, she. Which pronoun you will use over here? It. So the correct answer is C. Take the correct answer and write it in the given box. There are pictures on the wall. The word that is closest in meaning to pictures is dash. Option A, paper. Option B, photographs. Option C, tables. Option D, pencils. What will be the correct answer? Photographs. Take option B and write the correct answer in the box. The pictures are above the sofa. The opposite of above is dash. A, beside. Option B, up. Option C, in. Option D, below. Opposite of above is below. Take option D and write the correct answer in the given box. Practice this at home. Thank you.